You were shipped out of here before? And
Yeah.
I'm gonna let y'all know the exact price and shit on this motherfucker. The bumper not really bad, but that shit bad. Shit, I'm about to just get a new one. What's wrong with it? Oh, I forgot to pull that.
Oh, you a dumbass.
Open it from the top. Let's go. Ah, yeah, it's in the car.
Crazy. Now it is.
What's going on?
Redo.
Redo it.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? No, I'm about to put on screen the exact cost of this motherfucker for you. I wonder if they send back my shit. It's the airbag too. Damn, no stickers? I found my sticker on the ground. I do got a sticker. Thanks, Custom Ink. So we gotta take this down though.
You think it's in. Go ahead.
You screwed. I'm smoking because my cameraman just pissed me the fuck off.
Now we lying.
All you gotta do is fucking record. That's all you got to do. That's what. So you know, cut that out.
What? Dumbass.
I got everything plugged. Oh, actually, I ain't got it. Walk around, plug the shit like this, man. And then hopefully this shit. I'm scared. Different. Actually, do got less codes. So it's still not starting. Pretty sure it got something to do with the airbags. That's the only thing I can think of right now. Or I get a tablet, hook it up. I guess I'm finna put the hood on. I do gotta get a scanner so I can scan the code. Alright. I tried. You didn't try hard enough. Do I need to move up? Ah, shit, I broke it. Why can't you just do that shit carefully?
It was a clip, bro. You don't got no fucking.
I did my side carefully.
Gotta do some
This
more. I got
nigga
some more work
always,
for us.
this nigga always breaking shit on my car.
Shit, where the new hood at, bro?
Yeah, you know what this bitch missing? I got just the thing.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Gotta work on that clearing on the back. That's what that bitch was missing. Nah, I never showed y'all that motherfucker. Here's when I got off eBay and I got the emblem. Oh, the tire. You already know what I'm finna try to. Man, my stupid ass and shut the trunk.
Yeah.
I guess something like that. Oh yeah, that.
Scan yours. There we go.
That's me.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you these codes. Ready? U0431 P and U01.
I'm finna damn, I can't see shit. So I got a low voltage code on the shit, so I'm finna take this battery to AutoZone. This nigga owe me $20 for gas.
Shit, bro.
I didn't pick
you
this
don't know
nigga
how to
up.
work on cars.
You rude motherfucker. Car finna start in 3, 2. shit ain't fucking start, bro, and it's your fault. What the fuck? Right side. Could've. None of this shit right here is like. Look, yo. Now the seat. You see that? What that mean? Now the seatbelt's hugging. Some better now. Shit is on this motherfucker, bro, and it's not budging, bro. Pull against each other, bro. I can't even pull against that motherfucking hose is fucking rubber shit. How extra. Pull this shit out the way. Whoa, I don't know why the fuck you didn't try that, bro. Take it out in the car. Take it off on the car. What y'all think, bro? Shit. Oh. He thinks shit like this look hard with the front missing and then the back missing. He did that on purpose. Then he got this bitch. And then I don't really fuck with that. I don't want, bro, you got to take that whole bitch out, bro.
Nigga trying to give me advice, bro. I appreciate that advice.
Yeah, we appreciate that, bro. You can shut the fuck up, though. You can shut the fuck up now, bro. We appreciate all that.
Shut your fucking mouth.
It's supposed to come out.
It's talking about take the whole pump out, bro.
Bro, it's not even connected to nothing. I'm talking about I was holding wood.
It come out because of this main hose. The main hose was holding it down. And if I pull the whole pump out, I could pull the whole pump out as an assembly. But this hose, this bottom hose,
that's what we doing.
You think you don't need them? I'll leave them.
This pole. I ain't gonna lie, I could beat the fuck out of a nigga with this pole. Y'all not feeling that? Shit. It ain't that late. I know what I'm finna get into. Damn, my hand. Don't know. Before I bought this shit, I asked everybody I knew if I could use that shit. Niggas I knew that had one, they talking about actually, they was just on some hoe ass shit. Like, what the fuck is this, a brick? If any niggas watching it, you need to use my shit, it's a no. Fuck y'all niggas. That being said, what's some boxes? What the fuck in here? Nothing? Oh, my man's, I don't know what cheap ass scanner he was using. I'm trying to clear some real code. A little ass scanner.
I'm gonna tell you these codes, nigga.
How the fuck this shit go in though? Might be this one. Mercedes. Auto scan. This look like a lot. A lot passing. A lot failing too.
40 different problems.
The engine control unit has a fault. The transmission control unit has a fault. Let's try the quick erase and see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing, huh?
Do it again.
I just did it. I don't know what I was looking at fucking doing this shit. I don't even know. It say not active now. I don't know if I should.
Don't do it again. No.
Don't do it again?
No.
I just started to do that because the fucking, the air, I might get air bubble. Before I started it right here, it said active or something.
Wait, did you shut it off or shut it off?
I shut it off because I didn't want it to idle. Hold on, here, I'll tell you.
I don't even know now.
I'm scared. Hold on. Oh shit, we gotta call a tow truck.
Yeah, that bitch sound like it needs fluid in it.
It started. The best tablet. It's better than any iPad. All right, disconnect the battery. And to that nigga that was talking shit in my comments, talking about this bitch, what he say, a paperweight? Nigga, I'll pull up on your ass right now, nigga. Stop playing. Petty cases, cops still got my 6, still got my ARP. Just left the bank, ain't got no envelope. No niggas ain't robbing me. This ain't no trend, boy. We fuck up the traffic till twin patrol the street. Bro, boy, that ring. You can check my title, boy. Did my AMG. Engine, black truck and guns and fucking hoes when we pull up Motor City. This bitch so fanta, I just lost 10K, so I don't even wanna hit.